Tired of chaotic content chains? Acheron Technologies transforms your content supply chain into a seamless, audit-ready powerhouse. We integrate planning, creation, review, distribution, and archival into one dynamic workflow. Imagine achieving 80% faster time to market while reclaiming over 18,800 valuable hours. Our centralized digital asset management becomes your single source of truth, eliminating clunky email chains and asset sprawl. Trusted by content leaders, our built-in governance and compliance ensure every step meets brand and regulatory standards. Designed for high-value cases like regulatory reviews and global localization, our battle-tested content excellence drive precision and impact. Experience unparalleled efficiency as our solution empowers you to elevate content standards, streamline operations, and achieve measurable business success right now.